you ever seen a dragon? When I was in China, I saw one. You don't believe me? Play and see for yourself. I thought you were the dragon.
Me? A dragon?
Oh, a talking chicken?
Thomas! Wait!
I learned that sometimes, when I get scared, I imagine all sorts of things. Just like when I thought I was going to see a real scary dragon. But it turned out to be something fun. It was just people dancing and carrying a big puppet dragon. And I loved it. So next time you get scared, talk to someone. And maybe you'll realize it's not that scary after all.